Tyler said cheese. Him, come on. Cheese. Come one more.
Cheese.
Bon up enough, son.
Cheese.
No, this is just a
Dear Tyler, hi Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. My voice is gone. Tyler, take your foot down after auntie. You guys, my voice is gone. It's the next day after grandma's funeral, and we're all heading on the road because mom's last day, and gonna get some stuff done and go on the road and and stuff. My sister is around here driving, and mom is here, and my niece is here. My brother is outside, so we're just heading on the road to run a few errands.
The door closed? The door.
You guys, that's my brother. Jeez, me not no voice.
Kidding.
You're the one. I'm the voice. You guys, we're in Spanish Town. We're going to a Spanish Town.
Van.
That's bus. Those bus run go to Portmore. Those yellow bus. Spanish Town. We are hunting breakfast at mommy at Tasty Patty. We're looking. We're looking patty, of course, cheese patty. Yes. Tyler have money. Ask him how much money he has. So we all on the road. Yes. You want money? Go on, you soon get money. See, grandma giving you money. Yeah, you got rich now. He's in the line with my sister. Tell me, Mama, I want money. So we getting patty. What you getting, Mom? I'm getting porridge. What kind of porridge they have? How much? I haven't had that in forever. I won't give Tyler any porridge when he's on the road driving like that, but he'll eat the patty. The patty is kind of solid, but I don't want to give him the porridge. He'll be fine. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna grab one patty and porridge, and then we're gonna head out to run some more errands. And we are at Tasty in Portmore. Tasty in Portmore Pine. My brother is over there. Don't you tell me what you want? She know I want cheese patty, right, mommy?
You want cheese patty only? You want cocoa bread?
No, I don't want no cocoa bread. I haven't had cocoa bread in forever. When I was in Jamaica, I never used to eat cocoa bread. Eating patty.
Fries.
You want fries?
Yes.
You get fries later. Eat your patty.
The fries on the side.
Patty mouth.
Why?
Come tell her bite patty. She soon buy your fries. Come buy the patty.
Juice.
Wait, bite it and then you get juice after.
Juice.
Juice.
The juice.
Yeah. Shall you have no pen around there?
That's strong.
Must stab it instead of pull it.
Yeah.
Good. Jesus, you know, la. Paper mate. Good old paper mate. Let me look for your rims, so. Let me look for your car, so. Ish, Shan.
I'm a soldier.
Really? Am I soldier?
The best moment is watching these two. He loves his cousin. Hey! You say hi to the waves?
I want to lay down.
You are laying down.
I
We've been on the road running errands, you guys. My mom and my sister and my brother just gone into this place to get some stuff done.
Juice.
Yes, so let Kaylin give you some of her juice.
Kaylin.
Pass.
My juice. It's not your one, it's mine.
No, it's not yours. Wait. No fighting. Give him some, Kaylin.
No.
Wait, Kaylin.
Kaylin. I will give you some.
Sit here. Tell I've been fighting Kaylin ever since. He's eating back juice.
That's so cute.
You can't suck it.
No.
Suck here. Wait. Kaylin, you need to teach him how to drink back juice. We're teaching Tell how to drink back juice. Suck it. You getting it? I have to let him get a pinch of my childhood. So seeing him drinking back juice right now is everything. Look at him. It's yummy.
Yes. It's not good. You know, Mommy had this.
Yeah,
in the
more?
car for me.
Wait. Wait, Ella, wait.
Mommy had this in the car for a long time, you know.
Yeah.
And it still smells good. Why? Why can't I just take a little leak?
Why would you want to do that?
It smells good.
Come try. Suck it.
What a black mysterious blood.
My baby eating back juice.
He's done yet.
Right now, passing the train station. I have a dream. I'll walk around. Items when you live in Jamaica, like souvenirs and Jamaica clothes. Sun Island, Jamaica. So we are going in right now to get some things. Thank you. Hello. You're in supermarket, everybody's getting goodies to take home because you guys know that that's a must to get goodies to carry home. So mom is there picking up coffee. Mommy have to carry back home coffee. I don't want no coffee because I don't fancy coffee, but I want supplegen and I want Jamaica seasoning. And I want ginger tea. Yes, yes. I want the Kendall instant ginger. I'm looking for supplegen because I have to take supplegen back home. It's right here. Hopping with the fam bam. My Stella is in this cart and Princess is in that one. He stick to his auntie like glue. Banana chips is a must. Tigers, must, and no one want Pringles to carry on the flight because I'm not going to be hungry this time around. You want to go where? Tyler, take time with her. Tyler, take time with her. Take time. Don't hit her too hard. Tyler, don't hit her too hard. I must cry.
Yes.
But tell mommy to cry. Go. My voice is still gone. It's crazy. It is after midnight and I am heading to bed. The family and I have been out on the road all day trying to pick up goodies to take back home as mom is leaving tomorrow. My brother is leaving the day after, and then I'm leaving the day after my brother. So mom leaves Tuesday, my brother leaves Wednesday, and I'm leaving Thursday. I don't even know if I'll be able to see any friends, but if that's the case, then it is what it is. If it's not, then it's sad, but the trip was short. There's so much to do with so little time. There is no way I can fit friends or a lot of friends into my schedule. So I'm just coming out to tell you guys that we're having still an amazing time in Jamaica, though we sadly laid our grandmother and our mother to rest yesterday. Such is life. Life goes on. I'm super tired. I feel like I've been traveling for the past week non-stop, but hey, I'm happy to be here. That's all that matters. hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.